hope you're all feeling gold and great. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to another chill vlog. It's your girl Salad Gold. I hope you enjoyed that little breakfast with me, cook breakfast with me segment, a taste and some clips as to what exactly I eat for my big breakfast. I genuinely make this breakfast every day. I'm telling you guys, I love my matchas. This Starbucks matcha latte hack that I started doing. I bought the sugar-free vanilla syrup, which I absolutely have no regrets about. That syrup is amazing and it takes this drink to the next level, I am telling you guys. So I'm just about to enjoy my breakfast now. I like to start my day with about max 35 grams of protein. I like to hit that heavy protein right at the start of the day. Pretty heavy carb as well. Got some healthy fats with the avocado on here. As you guys saw, the turkey bacon has some good fats in there too. The almond butter, gotta have my fruit, got my bananas, got my berries, those antioxidants. All great fuel for a workout, which I'm planning on hitting directly after breakfast. Later on, I will catch up with you guys. I won't be taking you to the gym, but stay tuned next week for a workout that I will have up here for you guys to try. I hope you guys have been liking the workout so far, but I will pop back in later, either later on tonight or tomorrow with an update, a sort of lunch dinner meal for you guys. I will see you guys in just a little bit. Mwah. Alright guys, I'm now back from the gym, checking in again, super hungry. I did some food shopping, some grocery shopping as it's right by the gym, straight after the gym. So I got some grocery shopping done, picked up a few new products, excited for that. I was planning on making a meal with you guys for dinner, one of my go-to post-workout meals, high protein of course, post-workout meals, but as I was coming home, my mom actually texted me and asked if I wanted a chicken breast that she picked up, like a ready-made, pre-made chicken breast. So I am actually going to more over sort of prep a meal for dinner because it's just easier. It's already much later than I had hoped and I have some more editing to do right after I eat. So we're just I'm gonna take a shower obviously, but right after my shower, I'm gonna head to the kitchen, take you guys with me and just prep up probably some broccoli, some squash, some Brussels sprouts that I have in the freezer that are already, not the broccoli, but the squash and the Brussels sprouts I have already frozen, which is a great hack, I believe. I just recently started doing this. They're very cheap at the grocery store, so I'll just pick up a bag. It's like $2.99 or something like that and just make little sides for myself. I also have some pre-made quinoa that I picked up a few days ago, I think. So I'll probably plate that up with everything else. Just a good mix of protein and veg. That's what I'm feeling like. So gonna hit the shower really quick, just do a body shower, get the sweat from the gym off me, a great upper body workout. Again, I will card up above or link down, both card up above and link down below, an upper body workout that I love, some upper body essentials that I love for you guys to add to your next upper body days. These are exercises that I love and exercises that I've seen the most effects in, the most improvement in growth, in toning, sculpting, and mobility. So I will link that above and below for you guys to check out if you would like. I'm gonna shower, as I said, enough blab. Gonna hit the shower and then make some food. And I will catch you guys in the kitchen in just a minute. Let's get it. Alright guys, back in my room now, just about to enjoy my dinner, the dinner that you just saw me prep. I hope you enjoyed that little prep with me. I hope you enjoyed the prep with me earlier on in the vlog, that big breakfast that I make every day, just so you guys could get a sense of what I'm talking about when I say big breakfast. And, you know, hoping that was a little bit of inspiration for you guys. Anybody planning on trying intermittent fasting, it's ideal to start with a big meal or a big breakfast like that. So I try to do that every day, as that is currently what is working for me in terms of eating. So now I am just going to chill basically for the rest of the night, eat my meal. After I eat, we'll do some editing. So I thought I would just end this video, this vlog, this what I eat video vlog, whatever it's turned into right now. Going to end it just before I eat. But I hope you guys liked this video, this vlog style video, what I eat kind of content. If you did, make sure to smash that like button down below because it really supports my channel. While you're down there, hit that subscribe button so you never miss an upload. Fresh videos for you guys, health, wellness, and fitness content every week. So make sure to subscribe so you never miss another upload. Feel free to DM me on Instagram at saladgold. Leave me a comment down below. I love to chat, as you guys know. But yeah, I love you guys infinity and always, and I will see you in the next video. Until then, stay healthy, fit, gold, and beautiful, and I will see you in the next one. Mwah. Bye, guys.